Hello everyone. Welcome to this Trinity B1 English speaking practice. In this video, we'll use simple English to help you prepare for the UK visa or citizenship exam. Today's topic is home gardening and selling at the market. Let's get started. Good morning. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Elena Cruz.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Where do you live now?
I live in Leicester, in the center of England. It's a busy city, but also has many green spaces.
How long have you been in the UK?
I have lived here for about 4 years. I came with my husband, and we both enjoy living here.
What do you like about Leicester?
I like the markets, the multicultural community, and the fact that it is not too far from London. I also enjoy the parks where I can relax.
Now, let's talk about your topic. What topic have you chosen?
My topic is home gardening and selling at the market. I enjoy growing vegetables and flowers at home, and sometimes I sell them at the local market. I will talk about why I started, what I grow, how I sell, some challenges, and how it feels to share with the community.
Why did you decide to start gardening at home?
I started gardening because I wanted fresh and healthy vegetables for my family. At first, it was just a small hobby, but then I realized I could grow more than we needed. That's when I thought about selling the extra vegetables at the market.
Was it difficult to begin?
Yes, it was difficult in the beginning because I didn't know much about the soil or the weather in the UK. I had to read books and watch videos about gardening. Slowly, I learned step by step.
Did your family support this idea?
Yes, my husband encouraged me a lot. He also helped me build small wooden boxes for the plants. My neighbors were also very interested and gave me advice.
What kind of vegetables do you grow in your garden?
I grow tomatoes, cucumbers, and green beans. I also plant some herbs like basil and coriander because I use them in my Filipino cooking.
Do you also grow any fruits or flowers?
Yes, I grow strawberries in the summer, and I also planted some sunflowers. The flowers make the garden colorful and they attract bees, which are good for pollination.
Which plants are the easiest to grow?
I think tomatoes are the easiest because they grow quickly and give a lot of fruit. They don't need too much care, just water and sunlight.
Where do you usually sell your vegetables?
I usually sell them at the local weekend market in Leicester. It's a small stall, but many people come to buy fresh produce there.
How do people react when they see your stall?
Many people are surprised that the vegetables are homegrown. They often tell me that the taste is better than supermarket vegetables. That makes me very happy.
Do you only sell vegetables or something else?
Sometimes I also sell small plants in pots, like herbs or flowers. Some people prefer to buy them and grow at home themselves.
What difficulties do you face in gardening or selling?
One challenge is the weather, because in the UK, it changes a lot. Sometimes heavy rain or frost can damage the plants.
Are there any challenges at the market?
Yes, sometimes it is difficult to compete with bigger stalls. They have more products and lower prices, but I focus on quality and freshness.
How do you solve these problems?
I use a small greenhouse to protect the plants. At the market, I try to talk to customers and explain that my vegetables are organic and chemical-free.
How do you feel when you sell your vegetables to other people?
I feel proud because something I grew at home is enjoyed by other families. It gives me confidence and makes me feel useful.
Do you think gardening connects you with the community?
Yes, definitely. Many neighbors and customers share ideas with me, and sometimes we exchange seeds or recipes. It creates friendship.
Would you recommend home gardening to others?
Yes, I think it is healthy, relaxing, and rewarding. Even if you don't sell the vegetables, it is nice to eat what you grow yourself.
Please ask me one question about gardening or selling at the market.
Do you like buying vegetables from a local market or from a supermarket?
I prefer local markets because the food is fresher and it supports local people. All right, let's move on to part 2.